Everyone says change your life, but nobody ever tells you how fast it actually starts. Not 30 days, not 90 days, not next year. 7 days that can change your life. Just 1 week can completely shift how your brain works. And I know what you're thinking right now. That sounds like clickbait. That sounds like another motivational quote someone slapped on a video. So if you're already rolling your eyes, stay with me. Because this isn't hype. This isn't mindset talk. This isn't wake up at 5 a.m. and grind. This is science. And once you understand what actually happens in your brain during the first 7 days, you'll stop blaming yourself for failing and start using time the right way. The lie we've been told. We've been taught a lie. We've been told change takes forever. That real transformation requires insane discipline, perfect routines, and God-level consistency. So when you try to change and fail after a few days, you don't think, oh, this is normal. You think, something's wrong with me. I'm not disciplined enough. I always quit. Why is this easy for everyone else but hard for me? And that thought right there, that's the real damage, because once you believe you're the problem, you stop trying. But here's the truth nobody says out loud. Your brain is designed to resist change. Not because you're weak, not because you're lazy, but because your brain's job is survival, not success. And the crazy part? That resistance doesn't last forever. It spikes, and then it fades. And that shift happens much faster than you think. Why 7 days matter? The first 7 days are when your brain asks one question. Is this a threat? Or is this the new normal? Let's break it down. Day 1 and 2 feel exciting. You feel motivated, hopeful, focused. Day 3 feels uncomfortable. The novelty wears off. Day 4 is resistance. Your brain starts pushing back. Day 5 is doubt. Why am I even doing this? Day 6 is temptation. Old habits call you back. And then comes day 7. Day 7 is powerful. Not because the habit is easy, not because you suddenly love it, but because your brain has seen it enough times to stop panicking. The behavior isn't foreign anymore. It isn't dangerous. It isn't shocking. Your brain stops fighting as hard. That's the moment most people never reach, because they quit right before it. Why most people fail before day 7. People don't fail because they lack motivation. They fail because they overload themselves. They wake up one day and decide, I'm waking up early now. I'm eating clean. I'm working out every day. I'm quitting all bad habits. I'm becoming a new person. And your brain goes, absolutely not. Too much change feels like danger, so your brain drags you back to what's familiar. That's why this works only if you follow the rules. Not motivation rules. Not discipline rules. Brain rules. The 5 rules of the 7-day reset. Rule 1, pick one habit only. Not your whole life. Not 10 habits. 1, walking 10 minutes. Drinking only water. Reading 5 pages. No phone for the first 30 minutes of the day. That's it. Anything more isn't ambition, it's self-sabotage. Rule 2, make it stupidly easy. If it feels impressive, it's too big. You're not proving discipline right now. You're training your brain. Easy actions done daily beat intense actions done twice. Rule 3, same time, same trigger. Your brain loves patterns. After lunch, before bed, right after waking up. Attach the habit to something you already do. That's how habits stick without willpower. Rule 4, remove friction. Not motivation. Motivation is unreliable. Your environment isn't. Lay your shoes out. Delete the app. Put the book on your pillow. Make quitting harder than continuing. Rule 5, track the streak. Don't break it, check marks matter. Seeing progress matters. Once you hit day 4, your brain wants closure. It doesn't want to restart. That's when momentum kicks in. The mindset shift. This isn't about becoming perfect. It's about becoming someone who keeps promises to themselves. Once your brain believes, I finish what I start, everything changes. Confidence rises, focus improves, self-respect grows. And that identity is more powerful than motivation will ever be. The challenge plus, closing. So here's the challenge. Pick one habit, commit for 7 days. No excuses, no upgrades, no, I'll start tomorrow, write it down, put it in your notes. And if you're serious, and comment I'm in and say the habit. 7 days won't change your entire life, but they will change how you see yourself. And once that shifts, everything else follows. Your 7 days start now.